Hi everybody, Sherry Sicard, aka Cannabis Sherry here, and I'm here today to talk about cannabis recipes. Before I do that, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, one of the most frequent questions I get and requests that we get at CannabisSherry.com is for cannabis recipes. Anytime somebody joins our mailing list, we try to get a feel for what it is they're looking for, and over and over again, we are asked for recipes. And I find this really frustrating. Want to know why? Because there are already hundreds and hundreds of recipes, tasty, tested recipes at CannabisSherry.com. And there's going to be a link to those in the comments below. I think all these people asking for recipes don't really realize we already have all those recipes. There is a huge archive of tasty, tested cannabis-infused recipes there. For all occasions, every course of the meal, I have recipes made with canna butter, with canna oil, with concentrates, with tinctures. There are recipes for breakfast, lunches, soups, salads, main courses, of course, snacks and desserts. But you know what? The only ones that seem to ever get hit are like the cookies and the brownies and the things like that. So I'm here to challenge you cannabis cooks. You can cook more than cookies and brownies and gummies and sweet things. You can medicate almost any food with cannabis. So check out those recipes at my website and get cooking. There's even a box you can sign up to get a notification anytime we add a new recipe, and that is frequently. So check out those recipes, and I think you're going to find what you're looking for. If you're looking for a specific recipe that we don't have, then drop me a line and we'll try to get to it too. See you all next time. Eat your weed.